Your tax forms have all the personal information a criminal needs to steal your identity. That means a single vulnerability at your tax prep company, employer, or government agency could put you at risk.
Someone stole my Social Security number and filed a tax return in my name, and I'm a CPA.
Someone used my Social Security number to get a $9,000 tax return in my name.
In 2024, the IRS flagged approximately $16.5 billion in tax refunds for possible identity fraud. LifeLock alerts you to the widest volume of threats others could miss. And if you become a victim of identity theft, a dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will fix it, guaranteed. Plus, all LifeLock members are backed by the LifeLock $1 Million Protection Package, including reimbursement for stolen funds. Call now or go online and use promo code TAXTV to save 35% off an annual plan for your first year.